Good morning students, Standard X. Okay. Today I am going to teach you about salts. Okay. I have already told you the formation of salts, and in some salts you will find water in crystalline form, means you will find water molecules in solid form with the salts, and that is known as what? Water crystallizations. Okay. So whenever water gets crystallized, it is stays with the salt in solid forms. So what are the different crystallized salts? Let us take example of sodium carbonate. Okay, you know very well what is sodium carbonate, students. This is simple the washing soda. Okay, so how it is already prepared I have told you. When you pass ammonia gas with brine solutions and you will add ammonia, then what? Sodium carbonate will be formed. So when it is added with water, means water is added in the form of crystallines. Okay, so it will be sodium carbonate crystalline salt, that is Na2CO3 and 10 molecule of water. Okay, so whenever sodium carbonate is exposed for 2 or 3 days and it comes in contact with air, generally the crystalline form of water comes as liquid. Okay, because it is already present there in the form of water, and the water which is in the crystalline forms, it impart color to the salt. Okay, so due to presence of water crystalline, generally sodium carbonate looks white, so it imparts white color to the salt. Let us come to iron sulphate. When it is crystallized with 7 molecule of water, you will find what? Crystallized iron sulphate, and its color is green. The presence of water molecules in iron sulphate imparts green color. So next come to calcium sulphate. Okay, and it is also known as what? It is prepared for the plaster of Paris. And what is plaster of Paris, students? If calcium sulphate is added with half molecule of water, okay, it is known as what? It is plaster of Paris. Okay, so whenever it is gets heated, so some 1.5 part of the molecule, okay, sorry, when it is crystallized with water, it becomes CaSO4 plus 2 molecule of water, it becomes CaSO4 into 2 molecule of water, and the presence of water gives white color to the calcium sulphate, and it is known as what? Gypsum. Okay, and when gypsum is heated, you will get plaster of Paris. Similarly, you come to copper sulphate. When copper sulphate added with 5 molecule of water in crystalline form, you will find copper sulphate crystallized salt, and its color is blue. So addition of water in the salt in crystalline forms impart different colors, and sometimes these colors are asked in the examination. So you have to remember what is the color of which salt. Okay, let us discuss about the families of salts. Okay, what are the families of salts, students? Depending upon the radicals, okay, it may be acid radical or basic radical, salts are classified as different families, and some of the families I am going to write here. Okay, let us write families of sodium salt. Okay, families of sodium salt means in these salts you will find sodium, that is radical Na plus. You will find sodium plus is the essential constituent of the salt. Okay, and some member of the families of sodium salts are, you can write easily, Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. Okay, also you will write NaCl. Third you write NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so in all three salts you will find sodium. Here also you will find sodium, here also you will find sodium, and here also you will find sodium. So sodium is the essential constituents in all the members of the sodium salt. So these groups belong to sodium family. Similarly, if you take some other examples, let us take sulphate family. Means the members of the sulphate family must contain sulphate. SO4 minus minus is the essential radical. Okay, so the members are sulphate family. Sulphate family. Okay. One you can take an example of sodium sulphate. Sodium sulphate. Okay. And its formula is what? Na2SO4. Means you will find SO4. This one is the essential constituent of the salt. Also you take ferrous sulphate. Okay. Fe2SO4. So here also contains what? This one sulphate radical. Okay, is the essential constituents. Similarly, you can take another members of families carbonate family. Okay, carbonate family means the members of the carbonate family must contain carbonate as the constituents. Okay, and it is minus minus, or you can write -2, and the members are, okay, Na2CO3 and NaCO3 and HNO3. NH-NO3. Okay, so these are the members of carbonate family, because all these members contains carbonate, the essential constituents. Okay, and another important family is chloride family. Okay, chloride family. Here all the members must contain chlorine, and you can take an example NaCl, that is sodium chloride. Second one, you can take ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, ammonium, okay, chloride. So these are, students, the different families of salt, okay. So in the next class I will come with you some question patterns that are going to be asked in the examination in the next class. Thank you.